We know that they abuse us, and yet we are in awe of these abusers. And so, I think na-crystallize lang siya during the pandemic because we had nothing else to do. And doon namin nasulat yun.
It was really parang reaction sa mga nangyayari. We wrote this in 2021. Katatapos lang namin gawin ng About Us, which was in October 2021. And then a month after, ginawa namin itong Your Mother's Son. It was really just a reaction sa mga nangyayari because at that time, I think we all here feel we were helpless, anong mangyayari sa atin. And also we were reflecting on the idea na bakit tayo nagpapaabuso? Bakit tayo pumapayag? So yung condition na yun, and kumbaga na-crystallize siya with this drama na 4 na tao lang, and somehow gusto namin parang i-reflect or i-challenge or i-question yung tanong na yun. I-challenge yung tanong na yun na bakit tayo nagpapaabuso.